game, Bong Quinto. Coach Luigi, the entire match, you had over 15 three-point field goals, and you were even dominating on the offensive rebounding department. How would you articulate the dominance your players showed despite the absence of some key players, even in Coach Nenad's absence for that matter?
Yeah, well, it's Coach Nenad's system, so he's not here, he's not well. He's been teaching us a lot of things defensively, offensively. So today we knew it'd be a hard game a little bit. We wanted also AD getting in shape a little bit, and I think he found his groove today. Diba? Kay AD naman, habang tumatagal, nakikita namin he's getting in shape. But I like the 24 assists. The ball was moving. I think we also did well rebounding 51 to 31. So I think those are certain keys na hinahanap rin namin.
Coach, you mentioned about AD getting in shape, and that is really important for Meralco. So how will you be able to continue and sustain this for your upcoming games, more so now that there are some injury scare in Chris Newsome, Aaron Black, and the other players?
Yeah, madaming mga injuries rin. Normally happens when we're practicing hard. Si Toto Jose, nandun rin si Raymond Almazan, Nu and AB. But, next man up. We're confident in these guys. Anjo did a good job. Jolo helping CB. And I thought also CJ helped Bong and Elaine. Diba? Sometimes they were the ones helping Nu dati. Now that Nu's injured, kailangan nila ng tulong. So I think we did well today where, it didn't matter who scored, the ball was moving around.
Thanks, Coach. Now, Bong, could you tell us about that sequence earlier? Sabi sa akin ni Coach Bench, nagkaroon ka raw ng left knee contusion. But could you talk us through that sequence and how did you react on it? Because after that, parang walang nangyari sa'yo eh.
Una, pasalamat muna ako kay Lord sa panalo sa amin. So, yung nangyari kanina kasi mag-help sana ako kay CB kasi na-blow by siya. So, pag-atras ko, may napakan akong tubig. So, nadulas, parang sumadsad yung tuhod ko sa floor. So, thank God naman na hindi siya seryoso.
Bong, it's a bounce-back game, not just for you, pero syempre pati sa import nyo na si Allen Durham. And you mentioned yung mga, Coach Luigi even mentioned other players, rookies stepping up. Gaano kalaking factor, gaano ka nakatulong sa'yo na may other players na nakapag-assist, na nakatulong sa mga offensive load ng Meralco this time?
Gaya ng sabi namin kahit last conference, talagang nire-ready kami ni Coach Nenad, ni Coach Luigi sa mga ganitong sitwasyon kasi yun nga, pag may na-injury sa amin, syempre, kung lahat kami ready maglaro, pagdating sa game, makakapag-execute. Kahit sino sa amin, pwedeng umiscore, pwedeng dumipensa. So yun yung maganda sa team namin, pinagtatrabahuan namin lahat sa practice. Kaya pagdating sa game yun, na-execute namin lahat.